In today's video we are going to show you how to make our television control work when we only have one battery. To do this, replace the second battery with a clip. We will put the battery in one of the holes. The clip, first we have to open it in the middle. Insert the clip in the second hole by hooking on the spring, and making sure it touches both metal parts. We see how it works perfectly on our television. If you liked the videos, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.